Imagine looking billions of years into the future, where the fate of our universe unfolds in ways almost impossible to fully grasp. Today, on Fact or Fake, we're taking a cosmic journey through the theories of how the universe will end, and the truth might shock you. It all starts with our very own star, the Sun. Right now, the Sun is stable, shining brightly, supporting all life on Earth. But scientists tell us that in about 5 billion years, this will change drastically. The Sun will enter its final stage and transform into a red giant, expanding so much that it will swallow Mercury, Venus, and possibly even Earth. Imagine the oceans boiling away, the mountains melting, and life as we know it vanishing. This catastrophic event alone would end our planet's story long before the universe itself ends. After its red giant phase, the Sun will shrink into a white dwarf, a small, faint, and cooling star roughly the size of Earth, but with half the mass of our current Sun. It will no longer support life or fusion, but will glow faintly for billions of years like a dying ember. But that's just the beginning. The universe has much more dramatic endings in store, far beyond the death of one star. Did you know our Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with the neighboring Andromeda galaxy? Scientists estimate there is about a 50% chance this galactic smash-up will happen in about 5 billion years. If it does, the two galaxies will merge into a new massive galaxy, potentially disrupting entire solar systems. Planets could be flung into deep space or shifted into dangerous orbits. But don't worry about Earth. By then, it likely won't exist anymore anyway. This cosmic collision might even awaken Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole sleeping at the center of our galaxy, stirring up chaos on a scale we can barely imagine. But even galaxies aren't eternal. In approximately 100 trillion years, the universe will enter what scientists call the degenerate era, or the end of stars. At this time, all stars like our Sun will have burned out, leaving behind only faint remnants, white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. The universe will grow darker and colder as the light from stars fades away. Fast forward even further, around 10 to the power of 40 years from now, comes the black hole era. During this unimaginably distant future, only black holes will remain. But black holes won't last forever. Thanks to a process called Hawking radiation, named after physicist Stephen Hawking, black holes will slowly lose mass and energy, eventually evaporating completely. This cosmic leak might take trillions of years, but eventually, even the largest black holes will disappear, leaving the universe in an eerie, silent emptiness. One of the most terrifying hypotheses is called the Big Rip, expected in about 22 billion years. This theory suggests that if dark energy, the mysterious force causing the universe's expansion, grows stronger over time, it could literally tear the universe apart. Galaxies, stars, planets, and eventually even atoms could be ripped asunder in this apocalyptic scenario. The most widely accepted final fate theory is known as the Big Freeze, or heat death, predicted to happen far in the future, around 10 to the power of 100 years. At this point, the universe will keep expanding, but all usable energy will be gone. No more stars will form, no life can survive. Everything will be left cold, dark, and lifeless, a cosmic void of silence and ice. Imagine a universe where atoms themselves disintegrate, matter loses structure, and the vast emptiness stretches endlessly without change. This is the ultimate cosmic freeze, the final curtain call for everything we know. On the other hand, there's the Big Crunch theory, where the universe's expansion eventually halts and reverses. Gravity would pull everything back, causing the universe to contract until it collapses in on itself, potentially triggering another Big Bang, starting the cycle all over again. The universe could be caught in an endless loop of birth and death, expansion and collapse. So what does all this mean for us? While the timelines might seem impossibly distant, the fate of our planet, our galaxy, and the entire cosmos are tied to these celestial events. Whether the universe ends with a freeze, a rip, a crunch, or a black hole evaporation, it's clear that nothing lasts forever, even the stars. As we learn more, scientists keep exploring these theories, pushing the limits of our understanding. Will humanity ever witness any of these endings? Probably not. But that doesn't stop us from wondering. And maybe, just maybe, by studying the cosmos, we'll uncover secrets that help us survive even the end of everything. What do you think? Do these cosmic finales seem like science fact or science fiction? Let us know your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing cosmic mysteries here on Fact or Fake.